Total Station Surveyors Chattarpur is an established firm in the Delhi area that specializes in surveying. They are experts in the use of high-tech equipment like total stations for precise land measurement and mapping. Clients in Chattarpur and the neighboring areas may trust their surveying services because of their knowledge and cutting-edge technology. Total station surveying is a technique for measuring angles and distances on a given plot of land that use both electronic distance measurement (EDM) and electronic theodolites. Surveyors can now acquire precise data rapidly and easily thanks to this technology. Laser distance measuring, automatic target recognition, and data storage capacities are just a few of the cutting-edge features that our modern total stations offer. Numerous infrastructure and real estate improvements are taking place in Chattarpur, making it one of Delhi's most dynamic neighborhoods. Accurate land surveying services are essential to the success of such initiatives in today's fast-paced world. When it comes to building roads, sewer systems, and other infrastructure, the precise measurements and detailed maps provided by Total Station Surveyors Chattarpur are indispensable. The architectural business SCON Design Delhi calls the nation's capital home. Their forte is coming up with fresh, environmentally friendly layouts for all sorts of buildings. Expert architects and designers on staff provide full-service design work, from initial brainstorming to final construction documents. To guarantee that their designs are functional, visually acceptable, and in accordance with building codes, SCON Design Delhi works with a wide range of experts in the construction business. Total Station Surveyors Chattarpur are frequently consulted because they know how crucial precise land surveys are to the success of a project. Established in 2013, Total Station Surveyors Chattarpur is Delhi's premier surveying firm. They are experts at using high-tech tools like total stations to precisely measure and map all kinds of terrain. They offer exact and dependable surveying services to customers in Chattarpur and the nearby areas using their years of experience and cutting-edge technology. Electronic distance measurement (EDM) and electronic theodolites are used together in total station surveying to accurately measure angles and distances on a given plot of land. Using this equipment, surveyors may swiftly and precisely gather data on a wide range of topics. Chattarpur Total Station Surveyors use cutting-edge total stations with cutting-edge features including laser distance measurement, automatic target recognition, and extensive data storage. Many new buildings and public services are being built in Chattarpur, making it one of the most dynamic neighborhoods in Delhi. Accurate land surveying services are critical to the success of such projects in a rapidly changing environment. Providing precise measurements and detailed maps for construction sites, roads, drainage systems, and other infrastructure projects, Total Station Surveyors Chattarpur plays an important role in this arena. Architectural business SCON Design Delhi operates out of India's capital. They focus on developing new and sustainable architectural concepts for all types of structures. With a staff